Monday, March 30th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here along with you. I want to start back with a look at the lows Sunday morning across the region. That was that really chilly morning with a freeze in many spots. Wilmington down to 29 yesterday morning, 22 in Raleigh, officially 29 at the Charlotte Douglas Airport, 24 officially in Greensboro. 20s and some teens mixed into the mountains in the Shiloh Airport up in Rockingham County near the Virginia border, down to 16 yesterday morning on radiational cooling nights. That site typically does very well in terms of the cooling potential. And it was a cold start Sunday, no doubt about that. Temperatures now this morning, on Monday morning during the 5 o'clock hour, not nearly as cold. 39 in Charlotte, 42 in Greensboro and Raleigh, 40 in Fayetteville, 41 up in Boone. Winds, they're cranking out of the south and southwest this morning in advance of an incoming cold front. Now that frontal boundary will sweep on through very quickly today, and we will have a quick hitting shower chance this morning as that cold front works on through, and then sunshine builds in behind the front this afternoon. Let's take a detailed look at the radar imagery this morning. You have some rain there moving from eastern Tennessee into the northwestern North Carolina mountains. Even some lightning and thunder there in western parts of North Carolina. All those little white flashes you see there, that is a recent cloud-to-ground lightning stroke. Part of a broader band of rain and thunderstorms that extends all the way back into Mississippi. In fact, there's been a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings ongoing in Mississippi this morning. As I'm cutting the video, there's still that active severe thunderstorm warning there near Highway 55 in central Mississippi. A little bit east of Yazoo City. That's continuing to drop to the southeast at a pretty good clip there. Some hail and wind potential with that. And even some pretty good lightning and thunder there with this activity in North Georgia, southeastern Tennessee. It's been a stormy early morning around places like Chattanooga. And moving there into northeast Georgia. And again, even the upstate of South Carolina and western North Carolina, seeing a few flashes of lightning and rumbles of thunder this morning. But this will be a very quick hitting shower chance. That'll be in and out very quickly. You notice this afternoon, sunshine building in across the region from west to east, and then a mainly clear sky on the way tonight. Rain totals will not be impressive once you get east of the mountains with this frontal passage. In fact, I think a lot of us probably seeing 1/10 of an inch or less in the rain bucket today. And there's your highs today across the region. Not bad at all. The afternoon looks pretty good once these showers this morning depart. Tomorrow, looking good. A little clipper dropping in from the northwest. That's not really going to have any adverse impacts on our weather. It looks like a good deal of sunshine tomorrow, and highs looking pretty good out there across the region. In fact, that's it's actually a typo there for Greensboro. It's typed in 69 for the high. So we're a lot of us 70 or so for your Tuesday afternoon. And then as we get into Wednesday, high pressure overhead, probably a little cooler in some spots Wednesday, but not looking bad at all. Once again, has some typos on this map across the region. Either way, and these are not correct. The Greensboro and Charlotte numbers are not correct. Those numbers should be in the mid-60s for highs. Apologize for that graphical error this morning. Mid-60s for highs in many spots on Wednesday afternoon. All right, then we get on into Thursday. Looks good. But here we go Friday. This is the European model solution. You have a low pressure that lifts up into the northeastern part of the country, drags a cold front in here Friday night and into Saturday morning. Some shower chances with that frontal passage, maybe even a few thunderstorms too, Friday night into Saturday morning. But then the rest of Easter weekend looks great. Sunshine builds in Saturday. And I think Easter Sunday features full sunshine across the region. It looks a little chilly if you're heading to a sunrise service on Sunday morning. Probably well down into the 30s for a lot of our lows on Sunday morning. But again, it looks great all Sunday with a lot of sunshine throughout the day. All right, higher resolution modeling here from Weatherbell. This is a look at GFS modeling. First half of the day's precipitation today. And then there's the second half of the day. You can see that front quickly zipping off to the southeast. Now we get into tomorrow. There's your little clipper low pressure I mentioned. Not going to be a problem for us. Wednesday, high pressure working overhead throughout the region. Here we go Thursday, that high pressure offshore. So you see really a pretty pronounced southwesterly flow in place here across the region for Thursday into Friday. And so temperatures could crank a good bit there. Highs well into the 70s for Good Friday. And then, again, this is Friday. Frontal boundary off to the north. And again, this is the GFS solution. There's your next area of low pressure over the Ozarks. And then by Saturday morning is way up in the northeast, but your trailing cold front there moves through Friday night into Saturday. Now, the timing on the GFS is a little slower than the European, so it's a scenario where on the GFS, the rain kind of lingers into a good chunk of Saturday. On the European, it's over very early in the day Saturday, so we'll see how that timing works out. And then again, Easter Sunday, there we go. This is sunrise on Sunday morning. Looks great, although chilly, with high pressure directly overhead, lows in the 30s and highs probably in the 60s for many of us on Easter Sunday afternoon. All right, that is it for today's edition of the video. Everybody have a wonderful day, and God bless.